for my license.
You don't need a license.
I don't know. I've read the Black Man's Code. I've read the books in jurisprudence. But I'll look around this courtroom, I feel I haven't been born here yet.
All grace for her Honorable Judge Tyrant Kipra.
Good morning, everyone. Sit down. Call case number BD0939, Black House to Great Benefit. How are you doing this morning, counsels?
I'm fine, thank you.
Same here, Your Honor.
And who are you?
Your Honor, I'm Rudy Bailey. I work for Jail Amsterdam.
Oh, you work for Mr. Lyman. So, where is Mr. Stone today?
Your Honor, honestly, I don't know. I haven't seen him yet. We're supposed to meet him here.
Now, why doesn't that surprise me? You want a continuance?
No, Your Honor. I'm ready to file this out of the motion.
Are you a lawyer?
Your Honor, I've passed my bar. These are my clients, and Mr. Stone had already filed this case on my behalf.
You got a nerve. Now get out, get your license, and then come back.
May it please the court. Following law, Mrs. Leo F. Bremer of Kinley Grade, counsel for Great Benefit. If this young man has passed the bar, let him argue the case. We welcome him to the big time litigation.
You have no objection?
I'll be honored to introduce him to the practice of law in the state of Tennessee.
Well then, the counsel may proceed with the contentions.
Our request for sanctions, we contend that
Denied. Each side has asked for sanctions and I'm denying both the motions. Now the plaintiff has two remaining motions. One is to fast track the case and second is to expedite the deposition of Donnie Ray Black. The two are sort of related, so Mr. Baylor, why don't we handle them together?
Your Honor, the counsel for defense would like to raise the first contention. Your Honor, here are specified documents which contain Mr. Black's finances, purchase of land, purchase of car, and purchase of few other major appliances, which clearly prove that Mr. Black was in the position to afford any medical claims or any damages incurred. Thank you.
The court will verify the documents produced, and now will the counsel for the plaintiff like to proceed with the contentions raised?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, here we have the medical certificate of Johnny Ray Black. Your Honor, with the kind permission, I'd like to call upon Dr. Walter Court, who is an expert in bone marrow transplant. Much obliged, Your Honor. So, Dr. Court, have you been looking after Donnie Ray Black?
Yes, sir.
Doctor, would you exactly tell us what disease he was suffering from?
He was suffering from acute hemolytic leukemia.
Is that disease curable?
It is, only if the patient undergoes intensive induction therapy.
And possibility of survival without a transplant?
Absolutely zero.
Doctor, could you tell us his brother, his twin brother, Ron Black, was he a suitable donor?
He was a perfect donor. They were identical twins. It should have worked.
Objection! It's a speculation. The doctor cannot testify as to whether or not the transplant would have worked.
Overruled, save it for cross-examination.
Thank you, Dr.
Most right.
Next witness.
Your Honor, I would like to call upon Ms. Lufkin.
Permission granted.
Thank you. So you are Everett Lufkin, the Vice President of the Great Benefit Insurance Company.
Yes.
Ms. Lufkin, will I be accurate if I state that this claim has already been denied 7 times in a row without proper investigation? Ms. Lufkin, now before you can say anything, I would like you to know I already have properly signed documents given by your employees.
Yes, it's true, but I personally was under great pressure. I apologize.
Ms. Lufkin, you apologize? Ms. Lufkin, the boy is dead. Is his trial going on? I feel it's a bit late for an apology. Now, Ms. Lufkin, who was Jackie Leventure?
A former employee, that's it.
And how did her employment end? When did it end?
I don't remember.
Let me remind you, Ms. Leventure. Was it on 30th of October?
Sounds close.
Ms. Leventure, wasn't it just the 2 days before she was supposed to submit a deposition for this claim?
Yes.
And you fired her?
I did not fire her. She resigned.
And why would she resign?
As far as I remember, the letter says I hereby resign for my personal reasons.
You mean it was her idea to resign on her own?
That's what it says.
That'll be all, Your Honor.
Your Honor, before the Counsel of Defense proceeds for the last contention, I would like to raise a question. What exactly Mr. Black is going to do with that hell of a money? Your Honor, it's $75,000 US. And moreover, it was a health insurance, not a life insurance. So Mr. Taylor, I'm sure the court would be interested in knowing what the exact use of that money.
Your Honor, for the record, Mrs. Black had already given a written statement stating that she would donate each and every penny of the entire amount to the World Leukemia Society.
Your Honor, the Counsel for Defense would like to raise the last contention.
Permission granted.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, here is the offer document. If you want to please turn at page 11, paragraph 4, subparagraph C, clause number 13. It specifically excludes certain surgical procedures from the coverage. It excludes transplants of major organs like heart, liver, lungs, and eyes. So, Your Honor, the claim is not admissible.
Won't you object, Mr. Baylor?
No, Your Honor.
Nothing more, Your Honor.
Do you have any more witnesses?
Your Honor, plaintiff calls Jackie Lebanchik.
State your name for the record.
Jackie Lebanchik.
Miss Lebanchik, how long have you been employed in the Great Benefit Insurance Company?
6 years.
And when did your employment end?
October 30th.
How did it end?
I was fired.
Miss Lebanchik, I'm back, Miss Lebanchik. Because here in a letter you have clearly mentioned you have resigned for a personal cause.
The letter was a lie. I was forced to resign so that the company could claim I no longer worked there.
Did you find out the man who is present here with us?
She is Mrs. King. I was given 2 choices. Either to call it a firing, I'll leave with nothing, or to write that letter and resign with $10,000. I also had to sign a letter stating I would not discuss any of our crimes with anybody,
You mean even the black file?
specifically the black file.
So you knew this claim should have been paid?
Everybody knew.
That'll be all, Your Honor. Your witness.
Do you have anything to ask?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Lebanchik, was it not recently you were denied a health claim by Great Benefit? And on top of that, you lost your job. Now, Ms. Lebanchik, that made you angry. Very angry indeed. So, Ms. Lebanchik, is that why you're here? Because you're angry with Great Benefit?
I hate Great Benefit and every worm that walks there.
That's it, Your Honor. The witness is biased. She discussed her clients which she promised not to hear with all of us. She signed the letter purposely out of vengeance with no intention of abiding by it. Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, she was just trying to enlighten the court. Your Honor, it's such a pity that in this legal system, in this developed legal system, cannot give justice to even a boy before his death. Your Honor, if such a thing is allowed to continue, if these are companies are left unpunished, Your Honor, this same very thing will happen to you, me, or anyone else present in this court. That's all, Your Honor.
After hearing the issue from both the counsel, the court is of the view that due to breach of contract of the Great Benefit Insurance Company, Mr. Black could not save the life of his son Donnie Ray Black. And so the jury finds the plaintiff and awards actual damages in the amount of $200,000 and awards punitive damages in the amount of $50 million. The court is adjourned.